Hey, what is up, folks? Welcome back to another Fish Meat for Dinner episode. Today we are here with my buddy John. You've seen him before. And we're asparagus picking today. So we call it ditchweed because it grows in the ditch. So like over here. See, we're in the ditch here. And I'll show you what it looks like once we find some. But it's pretty fun looking for them. Alrighty, folks, got a piece of asparagus here. That's a pretty big one, and then as you can see to the right there, where John's finger is, there's a little bit of smaller one there. Usually there's a few around it, so we're gonna take a look, see if we can't find its friends. There's one, right next to it. See it?
Yep.
Right there?
Yep. Midget fucker. How like big do you want to snap this one up?
Probably like here.
Alright. Damn.
Then pinch snap that fucker. Did you check the, like below it?
Oh, there's one right there. That's a.
Ooh, here's one.
Look at this motherfucker.
Showed? Fans. This dude's nicely turned. Sometimes it takes a little while, but you'll find them. Just be patient and double look your spots, because I didn't even see that and walked right by. I think that might be it. They're cheap. We just found the motherlode. I thought I saw some. Nicely threw it in reverse. We found Chode City. Chode City, baby.
What about these?
It's up to you.
I mean,
I don't care. I'm not coming out here soon. Might as well get them while you can.
yeah.
Snippety. There's one right there. This is probably long enough. Bunch of them. Good little patch. For sure.
Oh yeah. Right out in the middle of nowhere too.
Yeah, it's chilling, getting nicely sunlight. Dude, we got a competitor right there. If anybody knows who that is, tell them to piss off. What you dropped on? Barefoot.
I did.
Good call. Can't let any go to waste.
This is how many we found right here.
Yeah, that's a nice haul.
Just in one patch.
A good spot. Freaking A. It's like the best little spot we found so far. Got back in a few to get some more. Okay, just pulled up. Got another piece of asparagus right here. Big sucker. See if he's got any friends around. I don't really see any. Snap him off. He didn't have any friends. Oh, that kind of sucks. Alright, we had a little bit of competition while we were out asparagusing. And we're waiting for a train here, so it's perfect time to kind of describe what we were doing. Just going alongside the road with the car, looking. You can see the asparagus quite clearly compared to everything else. It's a lot thicker. And we just stopped the car, get out, pick around there, look for ones that are growing around the rest of them, and we did pretty well.